So now that we've covered logical operators, I would just like to quickly go through some of the arithmetic operators. And to save a bit of time, I've already typed in some of the arithmetic expressions, as you can see them on the screen. And in terms of arithmetic operators, these are very basic operators. They're very much self-explanatory. The basic arithmetic operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Then there's an integer division. Okay, let me just go through the first four operators before getting to the integer division operator. So the first four operators in the screen are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and I've selected all these expressions, and now I'll just run and just show you the output, and I'll explain these one by one. So the first one was addition operation, and we can see that the expression has been computed and the output has been shown. So we can see that the first output is 150, and then after the subtraction of the second expression we've got 90 as a result, and then we can also see this multiplication, 50 multiplied by 5, 250. So that is working as we are expecting. You can see at the very bottom the division operation, which is giving us a result of 10 after computation of this expression, 50 divided by 5. So that is all working fine and as expected. Now you can see that it has echoed the expression, but later on over here it has given you the result, which is what we are expecting. So I was telling you about the integer division. Integer division is pretty similar to division, but the only difference is that it only shows the integer part of the result. So for example, if we have something like 73 divided by 7, now in integer division you can see we have got these percentage signs just before the division operator and just after the division operator. So this would result in 10 point something, 10.45 or something like that. But if you will execute this expression, it would not display the decimal fraction of the result. It will just truncate that, and it will show only the integer part of the result. So we'll be expecting after the execution of this statement an output of 10. I'll just control the console so that you can see the result just straight away, and you can see that the output is 10. Apart from that, there's a modulus operator, again a pretty standard operator, which would basically give us the remainder after computation. So let me just execute this very quickly, and we can see that the remainder is 3. We've divided 73 by 7, and the remainder would be 3. The modulus operator has 2 percentage signs. Now exponent, there are 2 ways in which you can carry out this operation, and the first expression is basically about having 6 square, and the way you will write the exponent symbol is this caret sign, or you can have 2 steric signs, asterisk signs, to show exponential operator. Both of them will perform the same operation, computing exponent for the given number. So I'll just execute these 2 statements just to show you the result of these 2, and let me just clear the console and execute it again. So as expected, we've got 6 square, which is 36, and 4 square, which is 16. So that's pretty much all the main arithmetic operators which are provided. In the next video, I'll try to cover some of the arithmetic functions. So you can carry out some of the arithmetic operations using arithmetic functions, and I think it'll be useful to cover some of the arithmetic functions as well.